Safely transport as many as 4 bikes to your destination with the Thule bike carrier hitch-mounted 4 bikes. Uniquely tailored to attach to the 2-inch Subaru genuine trailer hitch on the Ascent and Outback, and expertly designed for easy handling, installation, and removal. Featuring anti-sway cages to absorb road shock and prevent bike-to-bike and bike-to-vehicle contact, as well as a cable and pin lock system for secure and stable transport. When not in use, the rack folds for easy storage and pivots to allow for convenient rear access.
Night driving can be a struggle for anyone. Darkness limits our vision. Lanmodo Vest M1 Night Vision Dashcam offers ultimate night vision to make night driving as clear as day. With the 8-inch large screen presents bright images in high resolution. Lanmodo guarantees a crystal clear view in the dark. With the latest low-light imaging system and 7-layer glass lens, we have improved the night vision performance to a new level in total darkness, allowing you to get stable and clear images in various low-light conditions, whether in gloomy roads, dark tunnels, rainy days, or snowy nights. The separated front camera is adjustable to reduce the glare. The broader view angle and ultra-low view distance provide unparalleled depth of vision at night. The night vision rear camera allows easy driving and parking in the dark and in pouring rain. We offer 3 easy installation methods, which can be fitted in any car models. And the front camera can be adjusted to any angle as you need.
Qi Wireless Fast Charge charges 40% faster than a standard wireless charge. Check your smartphone's compatibility to ensure it has wireless fast charge available. The built-in cooling fan helps to counteract heat generated from wireless charging. We include 2 base options. The short base is flexible for curved surfaces and regular-sized smartphones. The tall base is rigid for flat surfaces and is designed for larger smartphones. Simply unscrew the adjustment knob and swap out the base. Replace the adjustment knob and tighten. The device must be powered on to determine optimal metal plate position. Generally, a stable charging connection can be found on the center of the phone. Take note of the area that receives a charge. Peel cover off the metal plate and place onto phone or case. Press and rub the metal plate to ensure firm adhesive grip. Place phone back onto charger to make sure it's properly charging. Put phone and mount in desired location. Press and rub around the base. Let mount sit for 30 minutes before mounting smartphone. Inside the iTap wireless are 4 super strong rare earth magnets, which hold your smartphone steady and allow you to transition easily from portrait to landscape. To mount on the windshield, follow the same steps, and make sure to test the location before mounting. With iOttie's Drive Smarter app, always locate where you last parked. You can also save a photo and note to make sure you're never lost. We recommend you use a tall base for desk mounting. Connect the mount to a USB fast charging power adapter. Do not connect to a computer or laptop. This will not provide an adequate charge.